Here we are at the Glen Sound stand. I've got Mark Wilson with me. We always come and visit Glen Sound at these shows, and he's always got something new and exciting to show us. And today, Mark, what do we have?
This is our digital commentary, GDC 6432. This is a high-end digital commentary system, two-part. It's been used in many places already for high-end sports broadcasting, in venue and in outside broadcast vehicles. But there's a few points that make it very special. I'll give a highlight tour of it because the full tour takes about an hour and a half. So the highlight tour, it's a two-box system. We have a base station and we also have a commentator's box. It's for 3 commentators. The main I/O is on the base station. We have 16 inputs and outputs on the base station, 8 inputs and outputs on the commentary box. Key feature number 1 with this is the whole system is a digital router. So it can be configured to accommodate the project that's required. The 16 in and out on the base station can be multiple DAs, configured for the talkback feeds, multiples of programs as required. Then you have the commentator's box with its own separate I/O. That can be configured for a separate mix of audio for the commentator's booth. The commentators can plug in local recording devices if they plugged interviews, which then can be sent straight back to the base station or back to a studio. So very configurable for each event. Next key thing, the link between the commentator's box and the base station. We give you 3 options. You have a coax. You connect by a coax. This is digital audio, 24-bit 48K. It is 8 channels on this link in each direction. On the coax, that will give you 400 meters range, and it will also power the remote commentator's box. You can connect, as we have here, via copper Ethernet. Copper Ethernet will give you 100 meters range and also power the remote box. Or instead of the copper link, you can have a fiber link, and then you're talking about kilometers worth of range. So for long-range, easy communications from outside broadcast trucks, very, very flexible, and all high-quality digital audio. Finally, in terms of its key functionality, here on the notepad, you can see we have a small screen. This is actually a Java application running in a web browser. There's a web server here. You point to the IP address of it in a web browser, you get this screen up, and that is the full status of the commentator's box and the base station. These are real-time controls, so as you turn them on and off, wherever your PC may be, you will see real-time controls. You'll see pop movements in real time. So you can see exactly the status of the system, the output levels, and if there was audio present, the metering levels. It also allows you to control it from this software. So if your commentator A is running a bit low, you're able to adjust the mic gain on this system and affect their level completely remotely. So very, very flexible. If you're in a managed network and you have the audio bandwidth available, 2 megabytes in each direction, the sound card that this machine is connected to will also act as the engineering audio interface. What that means is, using this PC, I can talk to commentator A. He can talk to me. I can monitor any of the inputs. I can play and record the line idents. Very, very flexible control. And all together with a digital router, IP remote control, and a very, very powerful system that's done very, very well. And we believe it is the current state of the art in commentary systems available.
First time I've seen this. What's the availability of this unit?
These are available immediately.
Excellent.
We have very large stocks of these because when large sporting events are around, they phone and they want 80 in one go for a large sporting event. So these are in free and available stock.
Brilliant, Mark. Now, as always, if people want to find out more, they've been unable to get to the show, what's the website they can go to? Our
website with all the details of this, of which there are many, including system diagrams of previous events we've done, all there at www.glensound.co.uk.
Mark, thank you very much as always. Go and have a look at their website. I say it a lot, the link is just here below me. Go and find out everything you need to know about all the Glen Sound systems, including the GDC 6432. Everything we've been doing here at BVE 2013 is on our website, which is of course broadcastshow.com.